It's bug season in the spring, so if you have a problem with roaches, scorpions like we have on the farm, any kind of bugs, you might want to look into these glue traps. We have used these for years, but these are a little bit bigger than the ones we normally use, so we're kind of excited to see what they look like. So they come individually packaged, and then the inside of it is sticky, and that's what it's scented to attract the bugs, and then the bugs will walk in and they won't walk out. Let me grab some scissors. Let's get this open. Okay. And then, let me see the inside of it. It says if you want a low roof or a high roof, so I guess depending on where you're going to put it. I'm going to put this together and then I'm going to show you where I'm going to place it. So you're going to peel off this paper on the inside, and that's what's going to reveal the sticky part. And then this is the high, so it looks like this. And then this is the low, I guess depending on what type of bugs you're going to get in there. So it does say to place the bait capsule here. So we're going to put some bait in there, and I'm going to show you where I'm going to stick it. Okay, the bait capsules come with it. This is cockroach attractant, and you just tear it open. Stick it in here, and it's sticky. And then I'm gonna put it on the high. And then we're gonna stick it under the sink. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it at the back of my sink. You see we've got an old one in there. We're gonna stick this back here. Kind of where our water line is. It's a place where bugs could come up into the house, so that's a perfect spot for it. So if you have a problem with any kind of bugs inside, check it out.